I'm taking on the challenge to transform my mindset into that of a millionaire by the end of 2025. Let's see if I can actually do it. Having a millionaire mindset is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the right mentality, the right attitude, and the right habits to achieve financial success. And I truly believe that if you adopt this mindset, you can achieve great things in 2025. So what's holding people back from thinking like a millionaire? Well, one major obstacle is the mindset that wealth is only for the lucky few. If you believe that you're not cut out for wealth, or that it's only for people who are born into it, then you'll never take the actions necessary to achieve it. Another common misconception is that wealth is only about material possessions. People think that having a lot of money means having a big house, fancy cars, and expensive jewelry. But the truth is that wealth is about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. And then there's the fear of failure, which is a huge mental barrier for many people. They're so afraid of taking risks and losing money that they never take the leap and pursue their goals. Additionally, people often have a negative association with wealth. They think that wealthy people are greedy, selfish, and unethical. But this is just not true. Wealthy people are often philanthropic, kind, and generous. They're people who have worked hard to achieve their goals and are now giving back to their communities. And finally, there's the belief that you need to be born rich or have a high-paying job to be wealthy. But this is also a myth. There are countless stories of people who have achieved wealth from humble beginnings, from entrepreneurs who have built their businesses from scratch to investors who have generated wealth through smart financial decisions. Let's take a closer look at the key traits and habits of successful millionaires. One common trait is a growth mindset. They believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and persistence. They're not afraid to learn, take risks, and adapt to new situations. Another key habit is goal setting. Millionaires have clear, specific, and measurable goals that they work towards every day. They break down their big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and take consistent action towards achieving them. They're also very focused on adding value to others. They don't just think about how they can make money, but how they can solve problems, create solutions, and make a positive impact on the world. Successful millionaires think differently. They're not held back by fear or limited by their thinking. They're visionaries, always looking for ways to improve, to innovate, and to grow. They're not afraid to take calculated risks, and they're not intimidated by failure. In fact, they see failure as an opportunity to learn and to come back stronger. They're risk takers, always pushing the boundaries and exploring new possibilities. Successful millionaires are also great at managing their time and prioritizing their activities. They know that time is a limited resource and that they need to focus on the most important tasks that will drive the greatest results. They're not afraid to say no to non-essential tasks and delegate tasks to others when necessary. And finally, they have a strong support network. They surround themselves with people who are positive, motivated, and supportive. They don't tolerate negativity, procrastination, or poor mindset. So what's the most critical mindset shift you need to make to transition from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset? It's the realization that your income is not limited by your job or your circumstances. It's the understanding that you have the power to create wealth, to add value to others, and to solve problems. It's the shift from thinking, I'm stuck in this situation, to I have the ability to create a better situation. It's the recognition that you're not limited by your past, your education, or your background. You're limited only by your beliefs, your mindset, and your willingness to take action. This mindset shift is not easy, but it's essential if you want to achieve financial freedom. It requires you to take responsibility for your life, to stop making excuses, and to start taking action. It requires you to focus on adding value to others, to be grateful for what you have, and to be open to new opportunities and experiences. And finally, it requires you to believe in yourself, to trust yourself, and to have faith in your abilities. In summary, adopting a millionaire mindset is key to achieving financial success in 2025. It's about recognizing your mental barriers, developing the right traits and habits, and making the critical mindset shift from scarcity to abundance. I hope this video has inspired you to take action, to believe in yourself, and to start creating the life you desire. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts about the millionaire mindset, please comment below, and don't forget to watch my next video for more tips on personal finance and wealth creation.